In our problem we have 40 times 40 divided by 40 divided by 40. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong, okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 40 times 40, which equals 1,600. Rewrite our problem and we get 1,600 divided by 40 divided by 40. So we have to work from left to right. 1,600 divided by 40, which equals 40 divided by 40, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.